Hello, I'm in a 2011 BMW X5 and today I'm going to show you how to open the hood. So first you go from the driver's side here. You should see a lever like this that you pull to release the safety. Here's a little pop sound, that was the safety opening. You should feel a little resistance here. If not, you might need to go up behind this plastic and make sure everything's connected. Did the first step, got the safety loose, and you should see the hood's a little loose now. Most vehicles towards the middle, there's some sort of lever you'll have to push to open it the rest of the way. This one's actually right in the middle, so we'll squeeze and lift. So we'll squeeze and lift. As you can see, this is what that looked like, which is actually a little tight on this one, so you might need, depending on our situation, check for debris, maybe some WD-40 to loosen up everything. And as you can see to the bottom, this is where it's hooked onto. So you need to check all through. And then there's, as I push this, it's opening that, which hooked on down here. So again, inspect all this, make sure there's no debris, make sure everything's connected and tight. And then same if like any parts are loose or out of alignment or the hood's not straight, that could cause issues as well. And over here you can see another part where it was hooked onto. And that part is right here. So there's a lot of moving parts in this, so you can check everything for debris, some WD-40 to loosen it, make sure the hood's straight. And then worst case too, make sure all the cables are connected because you'll have issues if they're not. But let's hope this was helpful. Hope you have a great day.